Most people think luxury means a five-star hotel in Dubai or a penthouse in Manhattan. But what if you want that same level of opulence at the bottom of a canyon? Or in the middle of a frozen tundra, hundreds of miles from the nearest paved road? Welcome to the pinnacle of terrestrial engineering. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a 10 by 10 ballistic-grade fortress designed to survive the apocalypse while keeping your champagne chilled to exactly 42 degrees. Today, we are going inside the most extreme off-road beast ever built. A machine so massive, so powerful, and so ridiculously expensive that it makes standard RVs look like plastic toys. We're talking about 10-wheel drive, a literal yacht-grade interior, and enough fuel capacity to cross a continent without stopping. Stick around, because you won't believe the panic room feature hidden in the master suite. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the sheer presence of this monster. Standing at nearly 13 feet tall and stretching over 40 feet in length, this 10 by 10 beast is built on a heavy-duty military-spec chassis. Look at these tires. These are 50-inch Michelin XCL off-road tires, equipped with a central tire inflation system. That means the driver can drop the pressure to crawl through deep sand or thick mud with a single button press from the cockpit. Under the hood, a 16-liter turbo diesel engine pumping out over 750 horsepower and a staggering 2,500 pound-feet of torque. This thing doesn't just drive over obstacles, it deletes them. The body is wrapped in a multi-layered, reinforced carbon fiber composite. It's scratch-resistant, heat-shielded, and, believe it or not, partially bulletproof. Notice the hydraulic rear lift? That's not for groceries. It's designed to carry two full-sized adventure motorcycles or a custom UTV. When you're in the world's most extreme motorhome, your tender vehicle needs to be just as capable. Stepping into the driver's cabin feels less like an RV and more like a private jet. You're sitting on air-suspended, heated, and ventilated seats that can absorb the impact of a 6-foot drop. The dashboard is a wall of tech. You have 360-degree thermal imaging cameras, satellite navigation that works even in the dead zones of the Sahara, and a full diagnostic suite for every mechanical system on the vehicle. But here's the kicker, the autonomous backtrack system. If you find yourself in a tight spot in a narrow mountain pass, the vehicle can autonomously reverse itself along the exact GPS path you just drove. It takes the stress out of navigating a 30-ton beast through the unknown. Now, forget everything you just saw on the outside. When you step through the pressurized airlock door, you enter a different world. This is the Grand Lounge. We're looking at hand-stitched Italian leather, real walnut wood accents, and a floor made of heated stone. The slide-outs on this model are heavy-duty, doubling the interior width at the touch of a screen. The kitchen? It puts most modern apartments to shame. We have a 3-zone induction cooktop, a professional-grade espresso station, and a hidden dishwasher. The refrigerator is a dual compressor unit, meaning it can keep your food frozen even if you're idling in 120-degree heat. And check out this dining area. The table is mounted on a motorized pedestal. It can drop down to create an extra king-sized guest bed, but why would you want to share this space? The lighting is fully programmable. You can set it to safari mode for warm evening vibes or Arctic blue to keep things cool. Every window in this living area is made of triple-paned smart glass. One tap, and they go from crystal clear to completely opaque for total privacy in the wilderness. You might be wondering, how long can you actually stay off the grid? The answer is, as long as you want. This 10 by 10 beast is a rolling power plant. The entire roof is covered in high-efficiency solar panels feeding a massive lithium-ion battery bank. It can run the dual air conditioning units for days without ever starting the engine. For water, it carries 250 gallons of fresh water and features a military-grade UV filtration system. You can literally pump water from a muddy river, and it will come out of the tap cleaner than bottled water. This isn't just a vacation vehicle, it's a self-sustaining ecosystem. Finally, we reach the sanctuary, the master suite. Located at the very rear for maximum quiet, it features a custom-made memory foam mattress that tilts for the perfect view out of the skylight. Imagine waking up to the northern lights from the comfort of this bed. The en-suite bathroom features a full-sized rain shower and a porcelain vacuum flush toilet, the same tech you'll find on a Gulfstream jet. And remember that panic room feature I mentioned? The bedroom is isolated from the rest of the cabin by a reinforced steel door. In the event of an emergency, you can lock down the entire vehicle, activate the external floodlights, and monitor the 360-degree security feed from the bedside tablet. You are quite literally in the safest place on Earth. The world is a big place, and most people only see the parts with paved roads. But with a machine like this, the entire planet becomes your backyard. It's extreme, it's excessive, and it is the ultimate expression of freedom. If you had the keys to this 10 by 10 beast, where's the first place you'd take it? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because next time, we're taking an even closer look at the engine that makes all of this possible. This is RPM Royals. We'll see you in the wild.